Understanding Readership Analytics. Unlock your content's potential. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's vital for writers, publishers, and content creators alike: Readership Analytics. If you've ever wondered how to gauge the success of your written content and understand your audience better, you're in the right place. Let's unlock the potential of your content by mastering the basics of Readership Analytics together. Readership Analytics refer to the data and insights gathered about the audience of written content. This could be anything from blogs and articles to books and magazines. By analyzing this information, writers and publishers can understand who is reading their content, how they're finding it, and what parts they engage with the most. It's all about getting to know your audience better and making informed decisions to improve your content. In this section, we'll explore the most important metrics that are often analyzed in Readership Analytics. These include page views, the total number of times a piece of content has been viewed; unique visitors, the number of distinct individuals who have viewed your content within a given time frame; engagement time, how long readers spend with your content, indicating how engaging or compelling it is; bounce rate, the percentage of visitors who leave after viewing only one page, suggesting the content might not have met their expectations; demographics, information about the age, gender, location, and interests of your readers, helping tailor your content more effectively. Understanding these metrics can significantly impact how you approach content creation and marketing. Armed with Readership Analytics, content creators can make strategic decisions to enhance their work. Here's how. 1. Identify popular content. Discover what topics or styles resonate most with your audience and plan future content around these insights. 2. Tailor content to your audience. Use demographic data to create more relevant and engaging content for your target readers. 3. Optimize publishing times. Analyze when your audience is most active to publish your content at times when it's likely to receive maximum engagement. 4. Improve content quality. Engagement time and bounce rates can tell you if your content is hitting the mark or if there are areas for improvement. By leveraging these analytics, you can create a more engaged readership and grow your audience over time. That wraps up our journey through the world of Readership Analytics. Remember, understanding your audience is key to creating content that not only reaches but also resonates with your readers. We hope this video has shed light on how Readership Analytics can transform your approach to content creation. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating content that matters. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.